In this demo, we will focus on Domino's data preparation capabilities. Domino provides governance and a single entry point to all of your data, making it easy to connect to external sources, version large data, or share features and training sets. You have fine-grained control over which users have read and write access, and a single pane of glass into how these are used. Our Data Sources feature provides connectors for rapid, secure access to dozens of external data sources, including the vector database Pinecone. And if your data source isn't available in our connectors, we're constantly adding new options, and direct connections are available for virtually any data source. It takes just a few clicks to set these up, and you can reuse them in any project. Admins can also choose to share service accounts or just the data source configuration, and audit trails are automatically created for each connection. Every time you start a code session or register a model, the record of which data sources you used will be saved. In addition to connecting to external data, Domino provides low latency, shareable, and version-controlled internal file storage in our datasets feature. I can organize these into any folder structure I need and bring in any file type. Permissions are set separately from the project, so you can easily test code on hidden validation sets and never have to worry about accidentally sharing data. You can also connect to external volumes, including EFS, NFS, and SMB in Domino, which are often critical for those using on-premise infrastructure. Just like with our other data support, you have fine-grained control over which users have read and write access, and a single pane of glass into how they are used. These can also be restricted to a specific data plane, since we support running your code across cloud services or on-prem infrastructure. That means that if data is not allowed to leave a specific region or server, Domino can let data scientists run their code where the data lives, while still reusing their collaboration settings, projects, and other setup in various other cloud services, regions, or on-premise. Now that we've seen how to connect to data, we'll move into a code session to use and refine our data. Domino integrates with the major open source R and Python packages and libraries, editors such as JupyterLab VS Code in our studio, and has options for licensed tools such as MATLAB. Our environments include all of the common things data scientists use for data preparation, such as pandas and tidyverse, and we make it easy to install more esoteric options, which are automatically versioned, tracked, and shareable. If I need to transform large data sets, I can attach a Spark cluster, and Domino will handle all of the connection parameters. Data scientists can use drivers they prefer to access their data on our code sessions, such as Snowpark or Boto3, or take advantage of Domino's Data Access Library, which unifies the code needed for disparate data types through SQL syntax. You won't need to look up different code snippets to pull various data sources into the same notebook or script. In fact, we've made it easy to copy and paste the code you need directly. As you can see here, we're using the same syntax for a wide variety of data sources. For cleaning and transforming data, I can take advantage of the tools installed in our environments, such as pandas or R libraries, which includes specialized options for processing files, such as audio, images, geospatial data, and numerous other file types. Or I can use Domino's Code Assist to generate this open source code for tasks such as filtering or aggregating data, which can save time for experienced coders or allow analysts to handle the data cleaning themselves.